I'm going to share with you what envelope cards are, why I designed them this way, how you can make them yourself, and how easy it is to apply this method to book pages, music paper, or even scrap papers that you already have. For this Christmas season, I knew that I wanted to create something special for my loved ones instead of just regular Christmas cards. And I took it upon myself to make something that I think is really sweet. I wanted to combine my love for ornaments and also my love for envelopes. So I decided to create some envelope cards, which I will share with you how these work and how you can use them. I thought it would be so cute to create a digital version of the envelope card idea as well as my little ornaments so that you can also use these in your Christmas journals, projects, or even as Christmas cards, as I think this is just such a cute way of sending a Christmas sentiment or greeting to a loved one. My little ornaments are going to be for the next video, as we're going to be creating a folio for a sweet friend. This is what an envelope card looks like before, and then this is what it should look like once you have folded your envelope cards. I created the digital version of the envelope cards so you already have sections that you can follow and fold, or they already come with images and sentiments. If you're creating your own envelope cards and you want to use your own papers, all you have to do is find a long piece of paper. Make sure that your piece of paper is long enough so that it actually mimics the shape and size of a squared envelope. And then you want to fold the top part inwards, create a little envelope top, like this. Once you have created that pointy top that mimics an envelope design, you then want to fold the bottom over once, and then fold the top over. And that's how easy it is to create a little envelope card. It looks like an envelope, but when you take the time to open it up, you're greeted to a lovely little sentiment on the inside. And I love this concept because you get a little card effect, but then you get the top part of an envelope, and it's the cutest little thing. This envelope card was made with some of my Christmas papers in the shop, and I shared the process of how I created this on my Facebook group, which I will leave a link below to how you can join. If you become a member of the Amity Bloom Facebook group, you're greeted to beautiful little freebies that are perfect for the Christmas time. Let me show you how this looks like if you're using already printed papers or the digital. To make my life easier, I decided to print this double-sided. This is going to be the outside of my envelope card, and this is going to be the inside. I want this to be a surprise for my loved ones, so I want the pretty imagery to be on the inside. This way, when they open up their little envelope card, they're greeted to lovely imagery, and then on the outside, it just looks like a really pretty envelope. I always start by folding the top first, folding it down, and then this lets me have a guide to how much I need to fold my bottom part of my design. Now that we have folded the two parts, you can now fold over to enclose your envelope card. And you should end up with something like this. Now, of course, this is going to vary depending on the paper that you use to print on the back side. Same paper that I used for this little envelope, but as you can see, I just cut a piece of it and added it right on top of the music paper. And then the inside of our envelope card, you can write your sentiment on the bottom, wishing them a Merry Christmas, wishing them Happy Holidays, or even journal about your Christmas in your actual Christmas journal. Fold this part over, fold the top over, and you've just created a beautiful envelope-styled Christmas card. It's essentially a little envelope without its little wings, but the functionality of being able to open it and seeing what's on the inside. To close your envelope up, you could add some sari silk, a wax seal, some washi tape, or you could even add some light glue and apply it like you would a card. For this one, I used a really sweet postcard. What I like to do is fold it over. Once I have folded it right where that pattern ends, I like to take this bottom part and just match it right to the top. This way, when you open it up, you get that beautiful postcard, and then you're left with a little space on the bottom so that you could do some journaling if you wanted to. This one has a beautiful green decorative top. You have a different presentation for your beautiful envelope cards, and on the decorative paper, add other sentiments. So you can definitely use the kit as it's intended for, and using the decorative papers either for the inside of your envelope card or the outside. Or you could print these out and then just trim and cut the top parts of the envelopes, trim this in half. The possibilities are really endless, and I provided 2 different sizes. So this is the larger size, pretty paper that I printed on the back. And then this is the smaller size. I absolutely love this image so much. This one too. This is of an antique postcard. And I removed the writing so that you can personalize it to suit your needs. And then I printed it with some of my wallpapers on the back. Or if you wanted to, you don't have to cut these up at all and just tip these into your journal and use it as a little tip-in. You can collage them on top of each other and add the smaller size on top of the larger size, and you create a nice layered effect. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. This looks absolutely beautiful. I think I'm going to be putting this into my Christmas journal. Such an incredibly easy way of creating really sweet Christmas cards this season, but mimicking that envelope shape and design that we all love, just making it a little bit longer and then filling it up with sentiments that we love. I absolutely love this idea so much. I'm going to be applying this for other papers and designs so that we can have this ephemera option all year round. If you wanted to use these little envelope cards as ephemera pieces in your own Christmas journal, you can add glue to the back side, apply it to a page, and then you can open it up and add a pocket. You can add some journaling. A great way to do some hidden journaling, and then enclose your little envelope back up. You can easily just add washi tape, add a wax seal, or even some sari silk. So adorable, super simple to make, and I think this is a really sweet way of customizing your sentiments for Christmas and your ephemera pieces. So I hope this video served as some inspiration. If you're interested in using the same images, I will leave the link below to these sweet little envelope cards, as you can use them and fold them as they were intended, or you can simply cut out the little sentiments, the imagery, or even tip them on top of each other to create journaling spots within your actual Christmas journaling. I hope that it was helpful to show you the different ways that you can use these sweet little cards. If you're already on Facebook, check out my Facebook group so that you're greeted to these beautiful freebies and digitals that you can't find anywhere else. In order to say thank you for all of your love and support, for the first time ever, we are initiating a thank you gratitude reward system. So if you purchase digitals, there's 3 different coupon codes that can now be applied at checkout, so that every time that you come to our shop, you're able to save, as a way for me to say thank you for all of your love and all of your support. So make sure you look at the codes, make sure you apply them before checkout, and if you have any questions, just let me know below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Sending you so much peace and so much love. Bye-bye! Christmas greetings and all good wishes. I even added some faux stitching so that it looks a little bit more handmade. I can't wait to explore this idea a little bit more with my other designs. This idea is too precious to just keep it for Christmas. I think I'm going to have to make some that can be used all year round. Why send Christmas cards when you can send little envelope cards that can be easily opened up and personalized?